Gao gao goo.
Hey guys, Cranberry. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I will explain about Tarta Bird. Tarta Bird, like a pile bird, is a monster created by genetically modifying an ostrich and a flamingo. The difference with the opilo bird is that he is a male, his body color is cyan, and his 3 feathers on the head, beak and wings are red. Tarta Bird's motto is, protect your loved ones. They love you just the same. But the important thing for a girl is kisses.
Wow!
The key is whether the person kisses well or not. Everybody knows? A good kiss tastes like lemons and syrup. Who's going to buy lemons and syrup now? I think I'm a good kisser, I guess.
Wow!
Proof? So a bad kiss tastes like fried fish. In Chapter 3 of Garten of Banban, when the player is with Opilikick, Tarta Bird will attack the player in an attempt to protect Opilikick. However, if the player catches Opilikick and rides on Tarta Bird's back, Tarta Bird will flee with the player on his back to escape the attacking Banban. Tarta Bird and Opilo Bird can run very fast. Once again.
Okay. Bird riding is a new one, I'll give you that. What drives you forward so vigorously? I refuse to accept that it's your protective parental instincts. Oh, I know. Someone has given you false hope. Promised you what you want when all along they had one thing on their mind. Pancreases. At first, I was confused by how everything was going perfectly in your favor, despite you never being here before. And then it hit me. Someone has to have been guiding you. And as with most things, I was right. You did have help. Your friend here has helped me tremendously. Thanks to him, I bore witness to very vital information. What information, you ask? Well, when my turn comes, I will simply prevent myself from turning into what he turned into.
Next time, I will explain about Tamataki and Shamataki. Check it out. Well, that's that. See you.